What's up, Euro Whipz? It's your boy Kills the Lou again, and today we got the cabin air filter change on the Benz C230 Kompressor. I'll be showing y'all how I change this out, you know what I'm saying, and putting it up in here. So y'all stay tuned. Like I said, let's get it, man. Euro Whipz, Kills the Lou. Alright, first, you want to come to the passenger side. And first, actually, you take the cabin air filter out the box. Take that out first. You know what I'm saying? And then you're gonna come to the passenger side of the car and look up underneath the dash. Well, you gotta take this dash off. I'll be back because there's 3 screws. One there, one there, one there. You gotta take this panel off and down, and then where you put the cabin air filters right here. So let me go grab a screwdriver and I'll be back to show y'all how to do that. Okay, as y'all can see, I got the 3 screws out right there. The panel is down right here, so I'm gonna move the panel over here, and the place where the air filter sits, it's right there. You gotta undo these little things right here. You gotta push them off. Take them off right here. This thing comes down. And it should pull out the air filter. As you can see, air filter is dirty as I don't know what. Look at it. Look compared to that. To that. So air filter ain't never been changed. So what we're gonna do is clean up all them leaves and stuff and put this new air filter on that little rack right there. So I'll be back with that in a minute. So now, after you got all the leaves and stuff gone, I'm gonna put the air filter back on this little tray right here. You go in there like this. I can see it's sitting there like that. Then you're gonna put it up in that little spot where it came from, right there. And I'll show y'all right there. I'm gonna show y'all how to do that, or I have it done, you know, and come back. So we're gonna do that next. All right, get it back up in place with the little bronze things, with the cover on. And I'm gonna put this cover back on up here with the 3 screws right there, and it'll be a job well done. Get y'all in a minute. All right, 3 screws are back up in there. Cover's back on, so I can see the filters in there. So makes for a job well done. So that's one task we had to do and get eliminated from the C230 compressor. I got a steering wheel cover coming off of that side of the steering wheel because I don't want to change it out. That's too much work. Plus I got to deal with that airbag. So I'm just cover it up with a steering wheel cover. Still got to get some seats covers, some floor mats. So y'all can see back there. Clean it up a little bit. It's got some dirt and grime in it a little bit. The seat's been ripped a little bit. Then I'm gonna do a tune-up on her. Still gotta do a tune-up on her, oil change on her. Still gotta get some brakes for her. I'm gonna get some brakes for her. Check around, see if the control arms and the you know, stuff underneath her don't have too much rust before I put her in the shop and see what's figure out what's going on, why she won't start, and that fuel system. So y'all stay tuned, man. I still will be working on the Whipz SLK 230 compressor too, because she need a grill. Y'all can see that. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold on, let me see. She still need a grill. You know, the grill still messed up. She needs some brakes on it and some control arms too, or the knuckle still got that shaking. She might need an alignment too. Then I'm gonna still do a cold air intake on both of the cars. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna still do that too. And got most of the stuff for her pretty much done. I gotta fix this. You know what I'm saying? This keep popping out. But for the most part, this car pretty much taken care of. She don't want the AMG monoblocks on hers, so I'm gonna throw them on mine. Get that squared away. Like I said, I'm gonna get all this stuff done before I put her in the shop, because I want it all done, taken care of before I throw it in there. Because y'all know, I take it to the Mercedes-Benz shop. Oh yeah, coming out of pocket. So this has been another episode of Euro Whipz, man. Cabin air filter. You know, y'all stay tuned for more videos, and like and subscribe to the channel, man. You know what I'm saying? And I have more videos coming in the way. And like I said, after I get done with these two, I'm gonna work on my BMW next. I'm getting another BMW. I might get her a Mercedes truck or something like that. So, but y'all stay tuned, man. It's Euro Whipz. Your boy Kills the Loop. Signing out. All right.